Assalamu alaikum students. This is our English class. In the previous lecture we have learned about the reading of Helen of Troy. Today we are going to start our written work. Firstly, you have to open your binder for the written work. Our first work is dictation verse. Number 1, Greek, which means is Yunan. Number 2, Troy. Troy is a city. Number 3, Ulysses, and Ulysses is the name of king. Trojans. Number 4 are Trojans, and number 5 is Helen. Helen is the name of princess. Our next work is verse meaning. Number 1, kidnap, agwa kiya. Number 2, princess, shehzadi. Number 3, battle, लड़ाई जंग. नंबर 4, वैनिश, गायब हो जाना, साफ हो जाना. नंबर 5, फाइट, लड़ाई. Our next work is word sentences. Number 1, won. Our team has won the match. Number 2, war. A war between India and Pakistan has started. Number 3, city. Dipalpur is a big city. Number 4, king. My father is a king. Number 5, prince. I am a prince. Okay student, this was your today's work. As your home task, write the dictation verse meaning and verse sentences on your rough binder, and you have to learn all the work. Allah Hafiz.